Hey guys, this is Calvin from InstaLOD. In this video, we are going to look at how to use the command line to render images using the Pro Render integration inside of InstaLOD Studio XL. If you haven't seen our first video on rendering inside of InstaLOD Studio XL, I highly recommend watching that first, as I cover the render settings in detail there. The command line rendering functionality is a great way to set up batch renders without needing to apply any manual work. I want to render this scene through the command line. I need to export my desired render settings first. It's important to specify a maximum number of samples now, otherwise the render won't stop, as pausing a render through the command line isn't possible. With our settings exported, I can now export our scene with the lights and cameras. Finally, I can open up the command line and change the directory using cd into the InstaLOD Studio XL directory. In case you have a JSON profile with rules that you would like to apply to the scene to prepare it or do other adjustments, this can be done now by using the command profile. I will be skipping this command as I have set up my scene manually already. Then I can specify the command raytrace, followed by the file location of the render settings, which I previously exported out of InstaLOD Studio XL. With the settings loaded, I can now load the file that I would like to render. This is done using the command load scene. If you want to import additional files into the render scene, this can be done using the command import scene. Then I need to specify how to export the rendered image. This is done using the command image export, followed by the desired AOV, file location, and extension. I can now specify an environment map to light my scene. This is done using the command IBL, followed by the name of the map. In my case, I have a custom light setup in my scene, so I'll be using the command noIBL. Now we can click enter on our keyboard and let InstaLOD render our scene. Our render is now complete, and we can see that the image has been exported into the correct output folder.